these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh, girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it, girl, I need it all. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Up, up, up. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the way right now. What's up? Show my support, I give you no big power. Now wisdom they make you a gara. Shonka, I'm a little son. Sometimes I feel like a burner. In my head, they feel like a gara.
talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love no be like. Say yeah, we did together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, if you leave, I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby.
See, I know they look person, oh no. Cause I dey find in my own, no. You know, they be like him, oh no. My eyes see the red passes, oh, bo. You go big, go make you get me, yo. Cause where I dey go, next I no know. Let me to charge in my battery, oh. When you done the low, yeah, my cabby go. Me, I no like to jealous. Cause I know, say, my uncle come and he no go today. I'm my banking, I can't go joke, no be only on me. I no like to dey jealous. Cause I know, say, my uncle come and he no go today. I no like to dey jealous. I'm my banking, I can't go. Yeah, my cabby go. Jealousy, 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 my life. Me no want, 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 me no care to fight. Stuck with the darkness, I'm stuck with the light. Hate to be wrong and I ain't tryna be right. You put up a show and I ain't tryna disguise. And when you say you the man, me I don't say you lie. Yeah. I just need just calm down.
What's up, people? Hope everyone is having a great week. Happy Monday, and I hope you had a great weekend, a well-rested weekend. It's just another day on the charts, beginning of the week, Monday, and we're starting it with a lot of positivity. So, wherever you're watching from, welcome. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the stream, and we'll do our best to deliver today. We have a very normal weekend, and it should be a positive one ahead. So I'm very positive about that, and we'll leave the rest to God, obviously, and hope He guides us through the week successfully, and come out brighter, better on the other side. Okay, and we dedicate this stream to Him, obviously. And on that note, we can begin. Dr. Holmes, want to say hi?
Sorry, my brother, when I was in the trade, so I just had to close up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That gold.
I
I'm
just
guessing that's gold.
popped out a gold trade. Yeah.
How was that?
The first trade, the market is kind of volatile. Anyways, how's the weekend been, my brother? How's the weekend been?
Great. Everything's great.
How's the weekend been?
Great. Thank God.
Sorry, I can't seem to hear you clearly. Probably have to increase my volume.
Well, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, I can hear you better.
I can hear you loud and clear. Let me move it to my headset. So.
No. Ooh. What are we looking at today?
Yeah, we're looking at Nasdaq. So I'm trying to just do just a top-down analysis right now.
Okay.
So on a higher time frame, this is the daily. Let's just go to weekly and see. So on the weekly, we obviously can see that price is in a bullish, is an uptrend.
Okay.
So that's what we just need the weekly for. We can see some imbalances like here. But that's not our concern. We go to the daily. It's bullish. daily as well, we have some bullish structure as well. We can see price respecting PDRAs, bullish PDRAs here. This was FOMC.
And that was like a liquidity sweep too.
Yeah, it was FOMC. So that was the catalyst that drove price to that spot, to these two spots actually. And as in my opinion, price has filled the inefficiencies here, so
Yeah.
it's good to keep going up. So the only inefficiency left or imbalance is this, and it's possible that price could
Which?
on the daily.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so it's possible that price could still come to fill this imbalance before pushing up. So something we could see maybe something like this week.
We
You know,
tap into
yes, and
that.
push up. There's another
Uh,
block here, so that makes this high probability. So
so,
it makes it high probability. So
uh,
yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the daily chart. The 4 hour, you can still see the same thing. This is the only place we could see in an imbalance down here. So this is
mm, yeah.
yeah. So this is the only because I can see some imbalance. Sorry, since I'm being cut off by the internet. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I can. And so, if you even want to have probably a clearer vision of what we're talking about, you can narrow it down to probably like the 5 minutes. And
Yeah,
if
I'm
you look
still
at
gonna go down.
5 minutes,
So this is
probably,
the four.
yeah,
This is the 4 hours now. So obviously, when price comes into here, you would want to go down to the lower time frame to look for some reversal patterns to
structures.
your structure for you to buy up. But what we're trading, we are trading session ranges, so it's not really. This is still really far from any trade we're going to take. But
Yeah.
sometime in the week, if one of our days fall into price tapping here, it will be very high probability. So we just see, we look and see what price does this week. This is Monday, so as you can see, Monday the price. This is the London session. This is the London session, the London high and the London low, and we can see that price has just been consolidating inside this range. So um, the New York session is going to start by 9:30. So I'm expecting to see a liquidity sweep. Probably either way, it could be this. At this point, it could go both ways. But I'm expecting to see some reversal, like a sell, like something like this. So but it's too early to tell. But that would be the ideal move, for today. But it's too early to tell. So we're just gonna chill, wait for 9:30 to come, and we'll just wait for one of these liquidities to be swept, and we look for an entry. It's worth noting that today is Monday and a no news trade, a no news day. So our setups are going to be a bit low probability today. So it's important that we also stay very cautious and make sure that we are adhering to proper risk management and making sure we're adhering to our rules, our entry rules. So if we don't see all the criteria to make an entry, we're not going to take that entry. So yeah, that's about it for today. Today is a pretty normal day. I'm expecting to see price sweep any of these places. In addition to that, I already took an entry during a London session on German 40. I posted this on my Instagram and Twitter, and I took this trade off the Asian range. I waited for the Asian low to be swept, and after it was swept, I saw a reversal pattern. And yeah, that's the pattern there with the inverse fair value gap and the breaker block. And I took an entry on the inverse fair value gap, and it's around about 1:8, 1:1.83, which is about 53 ticks, and before it reversed. So I managed to take more than half of my position here. So I was left in green before it hit break even. So I already started the week on a positive note, but I'm still hoping to see something better in this New York session from Nasdaq. Um, on the other news, we have gold, which just started pumping. It's been pumping all morning. This is where the day started, and you can see little or no liquidity sweep. It just kept on pushing, and yeah, um, wouldn't touch that 10-foot pole right now. So that's about it. We're just gonna wait for 9:30 to kick in, then wait for volume to kick in, volatility, and yeah, see what gives today. But yeah, this is my analysis for Nasdaq. Still bullish, but I expect that some inefficiencies or imbalances should be filled down here before we continue pushing for a new all-time high. However, um, my model is not to be predictive. I'm reactionary. So whichever one plays out, if it decides to just keep pumping here, without sweeping me, I'm not gonna take a setup. I'm gonna wait for tomorrow to come. So yeah, we should have a very um, normal day, and we'll see what gives. Okay. Once more, welcome, and I would say please like, subscribe, and share this channel, and also put on the post notification so that you can know whenever we're streaming. And yeah, thank you for joining in once more. We should have a fun field day.
See, I know they look person, oh no. Cause I dey find in my own no. You know they be like him, oh no. My eyes see the red passes opo. You go big go make you get me, oh. Cause where I dey go next I no know. Let me to charge in my battery, oh. When you done the low, yeah my cabiko. Me I no like to jealous. Cause I know say my uncle come and you no go to them. I buy banking, I can't go joke, no be only happy. I no like to dey jealous.
Sorry for my absence. My absence, man. I had to get a little bit of hot tea. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Chilling for our price action.
Jealousy, 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 my life. Me no want, 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 me no care to fight. Stuck with the darkness, I'm stuck with the light. Hate to be wrong and I ain't tryna be right. You put up a show and I ain't tryna disguise. And when you say you're the man, me I know say you the lie. Yeah. I Johnny just come then chop up. No feel like that, chop me you. Crashing me, I talk like llama. Talking, enough is stop me, yo, yo, yo.
Ooh,
Enough is stop me,
for a
yo.
day.
Cause if you don't get, they go and me, yo. If you don't get, you go ugly. For the eye, that be why me, I don't like to jealous. Cause I don't say my Congo, come
So today I took this gold trade. So basically I did today I've made like 14 boxes. I made 14 dollars. That's like 20K. But sometimes I try to make my life centered around what I'm making. It gets not too much. You can't spend more than you've made already today. Like I really want to why whatever I make today, I really want to withdraw it out, like, and spend, because my car said, you know, I want to be and make I dey eat the money like that. They know say, uh-huh.
See, I know they look person, oh no. Cause I dey find in my own, no. You know they be like him, oh no. My eyes see the red passes obo. You go big, go make you get me, yo. Cause where I take go, next I no know. Let me to charge in my battery, oh. When you done the low, yeah, my cabiko. Me, I no like to jealous. Cause I know say my uncle come and you not go today. At my banking, I can't go job, not be only happy. I no like to dey jealous. Cause I know say my uncle come and you not go today. I no like to dey jealous. At my banking, I can't go my cabiko. Jealousy, 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 my life. Me no want, 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 me no care to fight. Stuck with the darkness, I'm stuck with the light. Hate to be wrong and I ain't tryna be right. You put up a show and I ain't tryna disguise. And when you say you don't name me, I don't say you lie. Yeah. I Johnny just come then chop up. No feel like that, chop me you. Crashing me and talk like llama. Talking, enough is stop me, yo, yo, yo. Enough is stop me, yo. Cause if you don't get, they go and me, yo. If you don't get, you go ugly. For the eye, that be why me, I don't like to jealous. As I don't say, my Congo come and you don't go today. On my banking, I can't go job, not be only happy. I don't like to dey jealous. As I don't say, my Congo come and you don't go today. I don't like to dey jealous. On my banking, I can't go job.
Not. Or engage on really fast.
You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, everybody say no one loves you the same. No one wants you the same way. Back to the morning, my one becomes on the loving. I just wanna get you inside.
sexy, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up you, you understand?
Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV, that one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing, jump my banana. One side I laugh and no stopping. Push up, fuck that.
See my network. My network is shit, man. It's just been shitting around. My network has been shitty. Yeah.
Yeah, we got about 7 minutes to go, so still waiting.
Hi, Maji. Yeah, Maji. I'm still here. Yeah, you Chris. Okay. Okay. None yet. I can hear. None yet that I can hear. Wait, but this one you're not. You don't need to hold it because you're very clear from where it is. But the other one, you needed to bring it closer. Fucking too clear. Sorry for the foul language, but yeah, crystal clear. I can hear it. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. No. Okay. Okay. Makes sense too. Makes sense. Are you serious? The button. Okay, this is the mic itself, right? But it's very clear. It picks the audio fucking too clear. Sure. Yeah. Waragwana. Waragwan for Nasdaq. Waragwan, man. The guy is breaking out, right? It's about breaking now. Yep. If not, should have created a structure outside probably. But this is like this is the 5 minutes. You just tap the 5 minutes resistance. You don't know 5 minutes to tap the 5 minutes resistance. Yeah, check your and then it's creating on 1 minute it's creating actually a resistance. Yes. On your 1 minute it's creating a resistance. It's creating a resistance on 1 minute. Right? Yeah, you have a deep fall.
Yeah, what I'm expecting is 9:30 would have a push up, then it starts coming down like this. So we look for our setup if it presents itself.
Mm.
If not, it will just keep buying today, like it's been doing for the last 3 days. So we'll see.
We go see. We just no priority.
It's autoclave beats. We bring Afro beats to life.
Yep, it's 9:30 now, so we're live. New York Stock Exchange is open. So let's see what price does.
Guess what time it is?
Mm-hmm.
It's moving.
Yeah, yeah, we have volume now. Yeah.
Moving. Woo! Awesome.
As expected. As expected.
Yeah. It's doing wonders. Signs and wonders. Signs and wonders.
Aggressive push.
Isn't it?
As expected. As expected.
Oh, God. Jesus Christ.
Tired.com.
I'm telling you, man. Man's just tired, guys. Mm, mm, mm.
Oh, we have our first fair value graph.
First breakout.
Ready to form a breaker. It's formed a break, another block now. So it's formed another block here. So wait.
NYC open.
Yeah, New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah. How about me? Let me make a call. Sorry.
Sure. Okay, we have something forming. Still have to wait for closures below. Hmm. Okay, I'm thinking of getting into sales here. I'll wait for this candle closure, then I'll get in. I want this candle to close below this fair value gap, or at least just a little bit down here. If it doesn't, okay, see.
Yeah.
So I wait for candle closure, you know. So I wait
Always
for
wait for
candle closure. Yeah. So yeah, I'll have to wait for a candle closure below this. If not, no sales.
That's below this what they call it, below this
Fair value
support
gap.
is just here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, this one.
Huh?
This
Okay.
one right here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And this other week it closed without a top week. So yeah, definitely we might just have a closure below this now.
Mm. Yep. That's why I wait.
See? Now you're having a closure out. That's some unwanted drawdown.
Yeah, very unwanted, unnecessary.
Unnecessary. Avoidable drawdown.
Is this the return of the Mac?
Okay, I think it's coming, bro.
Well, let's see if it's strong enough to hold.
It's really coming back.
Still need to see it close below that
I like the closures.
support.
Let's see what happens.
I think I'll put in the first contract here.
Okay.
First contract here. Then when the second one breaks, I'll put the second contract. Needs to be a closure below. Closure below.
Yeah.
No closure yet.
Closure.
It's still, it just closed inside though. Okay.
Yeah. Just close below.
Yeah. Let's wait for this candle. It doesn't have a top wick.
That's no problem. Like I said, I always learn out so much. So,
Yeah.
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 You
I
know,
need it. I need that top wick first. I need that top
these
wick.
are
Yeah,
three
we get that top
size.
wick now. We got it
Three
now.
contracts. I'm having a buy. Two. What's going on? Yeah. Okay. Now go break even. So
Closure,
yeah,
closure,
there's a way I did
closure.
this. I did my entry. Entering is on a smaller account of mine, with
Okay.
prop firm. So I'm gonna go break even at 24814 on the dot, and and I'd close two contracts at that point in time. While I
Okay.
look forward to see what the TP will be. You could have you can showcase on what the TP the scale
Okay,
is
let
going to
me
look like on that list. Yeah.
here. I'm not going too low. Just here is okay.
Sorry?
Here is okay. Here. Down here.
Okay. What's the price on at that point? I can't see view properly.
You can see it on in 1 minute. It's
No, like what price? The full signal.
24,767.
Sorry?
24,767.
Okay.
Yeah. That's on futures.
Yeah,
24/7.
features, yeah.
Yeah. So now
Just watch.
let God take the ride.
Just watch.
Or is it gonna take us out?
Well, in for whatever the consequences are.
Yeah.
Even though that one, I mean, had a very hard rejection.
Yeah, the rejection is hard.
It's very hard. I want to see price respect that or the previous
This one,
resistance, and then try to break this thing it thinks it created as a support now that is going up. So that which is what it's trying to do. So if we can have it break and break that week it left, I feel okay, coming down to some good price action down there.
Okay, I'll close one here.
Let's see how it respects this other resistance. No. Yeah, my stake on this on this trade is $175. Yeah.
Okay. 100 right here.
Okay. So mine is 175. So by the time I'm taking something, I should be able to make to have made at least probably 100 plus, roughly 100 plus.
Yeah.
Maybe $150.
Doesn't seem like it's gonna give us something.
Yeah, no, it's kind of playing with us properly now. So You just have to sit tight and watch and see what plays out. You don't have any powers
Might have
anymore
to
here.
do a second entry if it takes us out, because
That's if this should take us out, right? Hmm. The network is shit, man. What's happening, man? I'm losing network here, but it's crazy. No, Christ.
okay.
Bro, I'm losing network. Who's doing this now?
What's going on?
Sorry, just a second. Let me check my internet.
Okay. All right.
Someone
Seems
unplugged my
like
internet. Someone unplugged my internet. Hey,
sorry. Are you back up?
I hope so. I'm trying to check my PC's back.
Yeah, because I can hear
Oh.
you from here.
Yeah. No, this is my phone, my mobile. The
Okay.
Wi-Fi I connect, my PCs are all down. So even when I took the trade on my PC,
Yeah.
oh, shit is creeping my ass out.
Can this hold? I think not.
Hell, man. Give it network back. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah.
You're heading for stop loss now, so
Finally, it's back.
brace
I'm
brace
back
for
online.
impact. Okay. Brace
Oh,
for impact.
yeah, man. This is the impact part.
Yeah.
And here, everything is just bopping. Bopping. Yeah, but then, you've already made, while taking this trade, we had already made the conclusion or come to the conclusion that um, at, at any point in time, should the trade go south, we could end up losing what we
Yeah.
put as the
What we
stop
put
loss.
as yeah. Yeah.
So everybody, it's not like we're already come in terms with what you're going to either lose
Yeah.
or get. Yeah. So what we're going to get is what we don't know, but what we're going to lose is what we are sure of should
We're sure
it
of.
look
Yeah.
like. Yeah. So I'm still seeing a whole lot of rejections. But
Yep.
then, let's go. Oh, yeah, he swept me out. Sweep me out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom.
We record that
So
one as a loss.
as a loss. So yeah, these ones want to fall back. I feel good.
So wait for a proper structure to see if we can give it another try. So for now, we'll just sit on our hands and watch price. stepping.
Not a bad month, man. Looking good, looking good. Clubhouse not gonna lie to you, folks. Oh, fair value gap? Yeah, FVG, order block. Hold on. I like the way you called the session bearish, very impressive. How did you reach that conclusion? Well, yeah, that's a good question. So the daily, right? The daily, let's track back here, right? Because when we're talking about technicals, I really need to match up the time frames. This is why higher time frame, lower time frame is so important to your trading, right? So let's just see what we got in front of us, right? This is the daily time frame. We have a support here, right? We have a resistance here. Now, if we look at what happened, right, we'll notice that you had a resistance form. You had candle close bearish. The next candle filled, it made a top wick, it drove down, filled the wick. But then what did it do? It came right into that support zone and then rejected, right? Now, pretty normal, right? The next candle comes down, taps back into it, it closes bullish. But what's wrong with this candle? It's got no top wick, right? So that's one thing that's wrong with the candle. What's the other thing? It closed right at resistance, right? So as of right now, let's pretend that this daily candle is not even in existence. What do you see on the daily? You see a range, right? Which is ranging. So there's no closures above, there's no closures below. And if we look at the daily candle, did we close at the bottom of the range? Or did we close at the top of the range? We close at the top of the range, right? So therefore, you're closing right at resistance. Now, as this next daily candle opens up, we make very little to no lower wick on the candle. So now you have everything we just talked about. Bullish candle closure with no top wick, right at resistance. Next candle pops up, breaks the highs, yet it has no lower wick yet. And again, no closure above resistance yet. This daily candle can close back below here today, right? So until that candle closes above, we don't have a breakout. So with all that in mind now, we can expect this daily candle to possibly start to push down, re-break lows, and then close back in that overall range, looking something like let's say you got the range here, right? Looking something like this.
Yeah, so we still need a proper structure to form.
We may have a rejection out of that area.
Right now, there's nothing. We can't do anything right here. We just have to wait. So this was a 26 pips loss.
So then we go to the
we just wait. The potential for recovery is always higher. So we just chill and wait for a proper structure to form.
Get proper entry.
We don't know where it's going to happen, but it should happen at some point here, right? So again, considering the daily time frame and now considering the 4 hour, we're developing a bearish bias because we don't really want to take our buys up here. If it's going to buy up here, we'll just let it keep buying, right? And stay out of that move. But we do want to take advantage of the ideal of these higher time frame directions, right? So now you get the 1 hour, right? So 1 hour candles, great resistance here. We form this overall resistance, right?
So what happened? This is what happened.
At 8 a.m., like we talked about, but we just couldn't get in, right? We just couldn't find our way into this candle.
Happened.
Candle closes strong bearish though, right?
This breakup.
Then what happens?
Right, yeah.
Now we see the next candle come up. We wick up. This wick respects the high of the previous wick. And then
you should have waited for a closure below here before.
Now here's where it gets tricky. Lower time frames. 30-minute.
Closure below here.
This breaker block here.
Moving up here.
Okay.
Right? All you have now is ranges.
I'm just like trying to see what we got wrong.
Yeah, what we could have adjusted.
Yeah.
But what we can adjust.
Yeah. It's always that breaker.
closing
It's always that breaker
below,
below
right?
it.
So we have this range right
It's
here.
there's a
The
tendency that
30
it would
minute
come back
time frame kept closing below the
below or
range.
above it.
So again, we wanted to see if we can maybe take our buys from here to go back up towards that range. But
So
by the
right now
time the
we're
candle
pushing for
closed,
all-time high again.
right at it.
You see?
So now we pay
I said at
attention.
the beginning
What's
of
going to
this
happen?
stream that we could just see
What's
this
going to happen?
thing pushing up
So
to
we'll
all-time
see
high
we push
again.
up, we reject, we close back
So
below. Let me
yeah,
drop down to the 15 here.
maybe
You
that's
see
the
again,
liquidity
push
sweep we
up,
need.
reject, right? No closures.
Let me
And
see.
now this candle here
to drive down.
next
Yeah,
to highs
because it's
again.
almost there.
And now
It's
apply our
here right
top
now.
wick. Here's your previous 1 hour high. And then we
All
just
time
nothing
early. Yeah,
down.
all time early.
Low breaks. At the same time, these lows right here break. We got volume coming in, clean traffic to the left, higher time frame in anticipation of the move down. No lower wick on this candle here as well. And then that was our move. That was pretty much a move. So it's broken down from a science, right? From all the way from the daily, what's taking place in this very moment, down to the 4 hour, down to the 1 hour, and then finding those little clues on like the 15 minute, 30 minute time frame for us to get a little bit more confidence, right, in this move down on the 1 hour. So that was pretty much it. Takes a little experience to put all that stuff together, but over time, over reps, you'll get it. And yeah, by the way, Monday's a range game, so we're most likely going to range on Mondays, and that's pretty much what we did here today. Yes, and I don't know if we will make a lower wick, right? I don't know if we will make a lower wick. I'm just expecting rejection, right? Rejection, maybe even the 4 hour candle to close bearish and get a pullback, right? Something like that. So that's it. And again,
So fellas, we need to wait for a candle closure. Yeah, it's liquidity sweep of this all-time high before we look for another entry. And yeah, and see what forms after that.
hold up, Geo. Let's go. What's the Ignite account? I would just look it up on top. Yeah, I'll probably butcher the explanation. Yes, sir. Cool. I like it. I like it. What now? Now what?
Now we have price close to the all-time high. Just tapped the all-time high now. So let's see.
Stealing the show. Stealing the show. That what they say. What's the next trade idea? Brother, I'm up 270 here. I'm up 770 times three. Brother, I'm up like $2,600. There is no next trade idea. I'm straight jump into this trade and then come back for the next session and then just try and do that one all over again. Yeah, I mean, next trade's an Asian session, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna answer a few more questions here, and then I'm gonna just have a grand all day here. The 9:30. Oh, I like that one. The 9:30 special. That's not a bad. That's not a bad name for that.
Is their survival strategy that is nothing to do with their morality or their values, that is so deeply entrenched within each and every woman. I want you to understand that female nature at its core is manipulation. Everything that you were told about women, their purity, softness, their safety, their nurturing, all of that is completely irrelevant to you. The only time that instinctual nurturing comes online is when they have children and they are the mothers to those children. Then they become a secondary aspect of themselves when they become the mother. But until then, they are women.
If you're wondering why I'm just sitting and waiting, I've not seen any setup to execute, so I'm waiting for price to give me what I want. If it doesn't, I'm not trying to jump the gun. Let me look at US 30 to see if it's disconnected. Still pumping. Wow, this was a beautiful one. Wow. I just started looking at US 30 this weekend, and I realized it's so similar to Nasdaq in terms of the kind of setup I'm looking for. And you can see how it just played out so perfectly right here. But, I'm still back testing it, so I wouldn't have taken this trade. I'm still trying to figure this, how probable it is. And you know, this stock was quite a lot. I wouldn't have taken this trade. What are you doing, Nasdaq? This is not a plan. This is not a plan. This isn't what we discussed. It's not giving it no entry, so I can't take it. Even if this price decides to go all the way down, I've not seen a confirmation from it to enter. So I'm just gonna watch it until I see something. Let's see what this. Let's see if it respects this.
Yeah, man. Surprise is trying to do back kind of.
Yeah, but it didn't give any entry, so I can't really do much. I can't do much.
Yeah,
If you want to risk it, okay, but it's not palatable.
Appreciate your patience too. Thank you guys for not messaging us.
remember to drink water, please.
Who are you talking to? Are you talking to people on the screen?
The audience.
The audience. Oh, okay.
Remember to drink water, please.
What
Stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Because you took a loss in the trade doesn't mean Doesn't mean
No,
you
the
die.
loss is nothing. The loss is like a drop in
That's
the ocean.
part of a life. It's part of it's part of the rule of life.
Yeah, you have to lose.
You have wins and you have losses. You have ups, you have downs. You have good days, you have bad days.
Yeah. What makes you a good trader is making sure that those bad days are not bigger
Don't
than
take the best
the
of
winning
you.
days. Yeah.
You don't take the
shouldn't.
best from you.
Yeah. They should not exceed what you would normally make on a normal day. So you keep your
Yeah.
losses small, your wins big, and at the end of the day, you come out victorious.
Nobody's finding you. Nobody's finding you. Came for the wickedest ones. Me and my girls, you know, wickedest ones. I know you feeling, but you want more. What you said, what you like. Came for the wickedest ones. Me and my girls, you know, wickedest ones. I know you feeling, but you want more. It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can be happy.
No.
I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I shouldn't know how to fix it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tips it. I had enough combo for 24. I think you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go go. And you are I need to get you alone.
Nobody. I hope you all are having a lovely, lovely day wherever you are watching from. Because I am. I am. It's a rainy day here, but it's cool and chilly, so yeah, it's a great day. So just wait for like 10:30 to see. That's 3:30 our time. Let's see where the volume drives the market by then. Just in case you're wondering, profitable trading is it's very boring. It's extremely boring. So you have to spend most of your time just sitting down and waiting for that setup. You know, you can't chest price, so it gets boring. So if you're bored, then trading is not for you. You need to be okay with being bored. You need to be very okay with being bored.
Sitting on your hands.
Yes, sitting on your hands.
Yeah.
If you can't sit on your hands, you can go outside and touch grass.
You don't try and do something with your hands so that it'll be fun.
Yeah. But don't click that trade button. Don't you dare.
Do not click that by yourself.
Yeah, we're making fun of it, but it's a lot of people have issues with that. Just staying put. It's not so easy. So
easier. Oh,
gotta be patient. Because when it rains, it pours. So you see why I said we should just wait. You're Dube?
yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, you see why I say we should just wait.
Yeah, I can see it, feeling like you just came to tap liquidity and still go back up, making the all-time highs all over again. Bring the all-time highs again, so. Closures matter. Closures.
Initiating rage process. Jack sound.
I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me.
You know what I just realized now? There's low volume in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's low volume. So I'm just hoping for that 1030 that hopefully new volume will come in. And we can see some volatility to push down, to push price, whether up or down. We just need to see like that volatility. Yeah.
So I was just looking at what they call ESDGQ.
Okay.
But it was just normal lookout, nothing so serious. I was bored with this other charts. They're not doing anything. So if I were on USD probably I'd give me sell. Probably. I'd give me sell. Because it's in a range now actually. So it's kind of supposed to come down, feel the range kind of thing. Yeah. A very large range. Yeah. Just tested this place several of it. Where it's rejecting from the moment last week. So anybody that has a flair for has a thing for USGQ, that would have been a good entry. The sell to watch it come down to
You said USD JPY.
Yeah.
Stuck in a range.
Yeah, range.
But it's respecting bullish PDRs.
Yeah, so I supposed to see at least a good retracement to it deep.
Oh, this is nasty.
Yeah.
Daily time frame.
It has been in that range like forever. So
Yeah, I think I would wait for to trade this consolidation. I would wait for Tuesday to form to either take out the previous day's high or previous day's low. Then you can target the opposing liquidity. Yeah. So if this candle closes like this now, if this daily candle closes like this, you can just wait for price to take one of these places.
break over.
Yeah, if it takes
Yeah, but
it takes out one side, it should go to the other side. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it here. After this price, this one swept here and closed like this. But the next day, you already have your daily bias because of this daily candle. You already know that the next day is going to push up like this. So yeah, that's kind of right now it's untradeable on the daily. It's looking. It's stuck in a consolidation, so we shouldn't be trading consolidations. Oh, this is what I was even looking at. That it's delivering like Nasdaq US 30. See what happened here. So I was just mentioning that I've not really backtested it, but I noticed that it has the same pattern with Nasdaq, where it sweeps the previous session's high or low, then delivers to the other. Yeah. You can see that happened here. But the issue here with this one is that the entry is the entry is all the way here, which is like 90 tips. This is it's too huge. You get me? And the risk to reward is like 1:1.4. So, but I know that on other days I've seen it form. Like, yeah. So it's not so. It didn't really form here. It didn't form here. It formed here, but it's nobody will take this kind of trade. It's formed here, so this is one. So in a week, it didn't form in a whole week. It's Tuesday till Friday. Nothing. It was just on Monday it formed. It only formed on Monday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday. Then Friday, nothing. Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 2 weeks, 7 trades, 7 banger trades. In 2 weeks.
Which is not bad at all.
It's not bad. If you can handle the losing streak or the staying out of trade, if you can just stay put and be patient for the sector. Yeah. It's 10:30 now. We saw the 10:29 candle spike with some volume. So yeah, still gonna push up. If we're waiting, we're gonna wait for 1 more hour, and if we don't see a setup, we'll jump off the stream. Oh my god. Someone's just cracking me up right now.
Yeah. Who's that? Is she on the chart? Oh, okay. Okay. Document it. Very fast. Nothing is more appealing than that. Just calm down. I still got something for you. Hey, for real. They like it when niggas lose. I saw Oh, I probably don't need the sympathy. I don't know. I hope they learn the lesson. I hope they learn the lesson. Okay. When you post your message, yeah.
I bounce back, no popo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. You could be the butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex scene. The bag is a nice tease. I tried to escape. My life is an X-ray. I'm sorry, a sex tape. You only get one take. Fly it on the set, please. Everyone. Okay, roll it. Anxiety. 3, 2, 1. Anxiety, keep on trying me. Feel it quietly, trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety, take it off of me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
That shit can get you killed, man. I tell you, man, you wouldn't understand, man. Oh, you know that kind of feel, you get off that kind of feel and you be like, oof, at least something was juicy. Like, what just happened, man? Oh yeah, just go through.
From Florida, what's in that clear blue water? No limits, no borders. What's in that new world order? Marco, hold up. Negro come from Popo. Blue light in that rojo. I just feel like this tightness in my chest, like an elephant is standing on me. I just relax and let it be.
Yeah. Very supportive. Yeah. Anything she's always like, I don't know what to do when you have a bad day or you have words. Yeah, she knows how to handle it, but she's like, I don't know how her power point is she doesn't know how to support, that kind of thing. And it's just, yeah, that's when you're in that mood, that angry mood. That's huh? Yeah, it's one sidely, but you're gonna be awake for a while, man. You're gonna be awake for a while, depending on how the situation is. You get, yeah, depending on how the situation is. It's always very messy.
They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's wrong. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. I'm a vibe out today. Hey, I'm a vibe out today. Away, I'm a vibe out today. Away, I'm a vibe out today. Away. gets lost, then my life would be yours. So give me a name, give me something to react by it. Wake me up and dance, give me something to react by it. I'm a vibe out to get. Hey, I'm the vibe out to get. I'm the vibe out to get. Away. I'm the vibe out to get. Hey,
You guys saying bad good. What's the P on good? How's good looking now? So I still took that what they call it, the USD GPY trade. Yeah. So my entry was 147.944. So I'm targeting 147.810. Yeah, well,
compatible. Girl, I be bad boy for girls say I remember. Baby, I be forward. Baby, take it slow. Baby, go down low. Nobody has to know. Yeah, I know I play around, but man, on this, you let you go. Baby, so mommy. You know, say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they got too much wine. They got too much wine. I see they be. I see shy they enter. We have a good color beat. But that's yourself, do what I be. Love is in the air. Baby, breathe. In a way, panda. Catch me up, got me hands up. Beautiful way, best in all the fish, nada. Make a hands like all I make a fit the balance. As I get opportunity, why I know go mountain. Actually, I go ready, no play promoting my hand for your mother. They see girls, say they bad, but you bad. Get your ways, put me for bello, push it bello. I did this, let me know, baby, na me draw your kiss, they put below. After you, now you become up. Oh, baby, show up, get all your girls jealous, but you are working, watching my baby color. Did you like a more, I'm bring on it. Matching my steez, you know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real. I know they got too much wine, they got too much wine. I see they be, I see shy they enter. We have people follow me, but that's yourself, do what I be. Love is in the air, baby, breathe.
You're saying something. Sorry, I was on a call, so I wasn't hearing you. Something that's convincing. But you can take a look at your USD and see why I actually hung the sell. Why I hung on a little bit of sell to just jump out, but it's just a little scarf. Yeah, but it's just a little scarf. Check, look at the high direction. It was like 30, 15, 30. So I'm wanting it to run with it slow on the 15, which will still mean the 30 pushing down. That will be still trying to come with the 1 hour a bottom wick, because if you look at the 1 hour, it doesn't have to really have a bottom wick. So this is the yachts or banking. So just a little bit of retracement to get up. Took my water spill in my stew. The thing got cranky.
to.
Mhm. Mhm. Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah, so guys, seems like we're just gonna keep buying today. No
Not having,
retracements.
not trying to
A lot of
retrace.
people, I'm seeing a lot of people took their buys from here, so you know, we we missed out on that. So yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna.
so tomorrow we'll come back again and look for a better setup. That's it for today. Yeah. So yeah, guys, gotta log off. So if you're still trading, happy trading, and preserve your capital. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, safe.